To make a fan block, put the fan blade onto the fan motor and just push it in firmly. Separate out the two wires. Wrap each of the wires in a small piece of conductive tape. First one, then the other. This ensures that we get a good connection to the wires. Place the motor into the hole that's been already drilled into the block. It's a little bit fiddly, but now what you need to do is wrap a piece of tape over the wire, around the block and back over the wire. The fan blade can get in the way a little bit, but it's definitely possible. Then wrap the second piece of tape around the block, over the wire, under the blade, around the block, all the way around, and then back over the piece of tape at the top, but under the fan blade. It is a bit fiddly. Then connect to a power block for a working fan. This will work either direction.